Two businesses, both generate exactly $600,000 a year in revenue. But behind that identical top-line number, the digital service economy is quietly splitting in two. To service that $600,000, a traditional agency needs about 5 full-time employees, plus software, insurance, and office space. Once you subtract payroll and taxes, the agency is left with a 10% profit margin. Then you have the modern solo operator. They manage the exact same workload, the exact same number of clients, and bring in the exact same $600,000. But they do it entirely alone. Watch the costs. The solo operator spends about $500 a month on software. They keep up to 90% of that revenue as pure profit. U.S. Census Bureau data shows nearly 30 million solopreneurs operating right now, generating $1.7 trillion in revenue. 74% of these professionals are successfully scaling their businesses without hiring a single employee, specifically because they are using AI. That $500 monthly software budget buys an entire stack of specialized capabilities, covering core strategy, all visual design, high-speed video editing, and the automated workflows that connect them all together. In a traditional office, those exact same capabilities require a junior copywriter, a designer, a video editor, and a project manager. That costs well over $200,000 a year in entry-level salaries. Today's solo professional acts as the executive manager of a digital execution team rather than a single worker. The first major phase of this technology was predictive AI, where models analyze data to forecast what was likely to happen, like scoring a lead or predicting customer churn. Next came prescriptive AI. These systems acted as advisors, suggesting the optimal path forward, like recommending a budget reallocation or a better subject line, but they still required a human to push the button. The current shift centers on Agentic AI, an autonomous system that plans and acts independently to achieve a goal. This diagram highlights the mechanical difference. The traditional prompting model is linear. A human types a command and waits for an output. The agentic model is a circular loop. You set the goal, and the agent plans, executes, evaluates, and repeats autonomously. In practice, you can hand an agent brand guidelines and tell it to run a campaign. It independently generates thousands of on-brand assets, tests them across different channels, and deploys the winners. Agentic AI moves software into the role of a self-directed employee, requiring strategic management rather than manual operation. But the primary danger of agentic AI lies in its autonomy. These systems possess significant operational capability, but they lack inherent human common sense. Think of it as the hot dog versus sandwich problem. If you ask an autonomous agent to make you a sandwich, you are leaving it up to the machine to decide what a sandwich is. It might hand you a hot dog and consider the task complete. Apply that lack of context to programmatic advertising. An unguided agent managing a 7-figure media buy could make a technically correct but disastrously wrong decision, earning millions of dollars in milliseconds. In response, the industry is building defensive infrastructure. Initiatives like the Ad Context Protocol are being designed as a common language to keep AI agents operating within human intent. An autonomous agent's value is entirely dependent on the strictness of the boundaries and governance established by its human manager. This traditional corporate pyramid shows how agencies have structured themselves for the last 50 years. They rely on a broad base of junior staff to execute repetitive, entry-level tasks. Agentic AI is actively eating the bottom of this ladder. Because an agent can complete hours of junior-level production work in mere minutes, that wide base of execution is disappearing. The structure physically inverts, making strategic expertise the widest part of the funnel. Current market data reflects this shift. The share of entry-level job postings is dropping, while the demand for senior strategic oversight continues to rise. The economic landscape has inverted. Value now flows from directing systems rather than manually executing tasks. The requirement for manual tool operation in digital marketing is disappearing. The successful professional is now an agent manager. They set the strategic vision and orchestrate a network of autonomous systems to do the labor. Right now, mastering this autonomous workflow provides a high-profit competitive advantage for early adopters. It allows individuals to operate with the output of a full agency. This window of outsized profitability is temporary. As the technology scales, agentic workflows will become the absolute minimum baseline required to participate in the market. In the new economy, those who manage agents will replace traditional agencies, and those who only know how to execute tasks will be replaced by the agents themselves.